So if you want to learn or know how I make these slimes, make sure to keep watching. Welcome to Jay's World. So my name is Jaylene. I am 9 years old and y'all should know me from the life of SNR. So I'm actually gonna be doing a YouTube video. I'm sure y'all saw like the first video from the life of SNR where someone asked, is Jaylene gonna make a YouTube video? Which the answer is yeah, so here I am. And to start off fresh, I'm just gonna be making 2 slimes and they're gonna be clear. And over here, I have my stack glue, my clear glue. I have here some fox snow, some little green beads, some blue glitter, green food coloring, some snowflakes, some silver eyeshadow, and of course my bowl, which I think I'm gonna just be mixing it with my hands. Yeah, just with my hands. And so the theme for one of it is gonna be just like green. That's why I have my theme, my green beads. And I also have my green food coloring, but I think I'm just gonna put like 1 drop because I still want it to be kind of clear. So the other one is gonna be snow since I have snowflakes, blue glitter, and some snow. So here I have just my basket to put my things and my bowl that I'm gonna be doing the slime with. So yeah, let's get started. So first, I'm going to be adding my clear glue in my bowl. And first, I think I'm going to be making the green slime. Yeah. So I'm going to open it up so then it'll be faster. Woo. Strong. Yep, I think that's good. So then I just got like half in here. So then I will have some more. So here, y'all can't really see it since it's clear, but I have it in here. So now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be getting my beads, my little beads. And okay, so I opened it. Okay, so I opened it. And over here y'all could see my different beads. So I think I'm gonna be adding some of these little green beads. I don't know if y'all can see right there. Yeah. Okay, so I think this is enough from those. Now I'm getting some from these. They're also light green, but just like little sticks. Put some on. Okay, now I'm going to be putting some others, which they're dark green. They're like beads, but just dark green. Yeah, I think I'll add more later. So now I'm gonna be adding some food coloring. As y'all can see, it's green. So I'm gonna open it. Okay. Now here it is. Now I'm gonna be putting 1 drop. Boop. Okay. Okay, I close it. I could just see that it just has some glitter and the food coloring. So now I'm gonna be adding some eyeshadow. It's some silver eyeshadow. Now, here is the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using. It's like shimmering loose eyeshadow. Open the cap. Okay, so it comes with a little brush. How cute. Which I don't even think I need the brush. But we could use this eyeshadow. But I'm just going to be using some for slime. Well, it's not really coming out.
Okay, I'm just going to be sprinkling them on. Sprinkling some eyeshadow. I don't want that much.
I think now I'm going to be adding the stuff glow. So first, oh yeah, I'm going to be adding some stuff glow. So here I have my stuff glow. Be adding not that much, but a little. Y'all could see it's like green. The sprinkles don't really show like what I added, so I think I'm gonna be adding more. You know what? I'm gonna be holding it and then just do this. Let's mix. Mix. Whoa, look at this. That's still sticky.
Wow, that looks so cool. Okay, so right now y'all can see that I have all of these and it's like chunky, but it's still like kind of sticky. There's some glitter things stuck to it. Okay. I can't really tell what the eyeshadow on this.
I think you could kind of tell that I added clear. And it is pokey. So I'm going to be showing you the slime, guys, how it is right now. I still need to mix it a little more. So then it won't be that sticky. I'm gonna show you my slime. Look at this. Now see, I can see it's like sticking to my hand. Here it is. I can see it right over here. I can see it stretching the slime. Let's see. Whoa! I think it's well activated already because I'm mixing it and it's good. Look at this. So I think it's good. I'll put it on the table. Look at this, guys.
I'm showing you how the slime looks when it's activated. So it's really big. I don't think I ever like made the slime this big because it's like so big. Oh.
Every place.
Mix it. I think I'm gonna be just adding everything. So here
Is the first slime that I did, and I think it turned out pretty well. So this is the final results from this slime. It is really good. And it is really big. So this is how it came out. Ta-da! It's really stretchy. So I think we're gonna go to the next one already. So I'm just gonna be putting this one aside. So I put it in its like little container. Okay, so I washed my container and my spoon. And so now let's put some clear glue to make my other slime. And this time I could dump it all out without worrying how much I should put in because I'm just gonna make, this is gonna be like my last one. I'm going to be making the snowflake one. So here I have my snowflakes and I'm going to be opening it so then I could add it to my clear glue. So look here, the snowflake. Whoa, that looks so pretty. Look at the spoon. Some in. I think that's good for now. I think that's good for now. So didn't use everything. So now I'll be adding some blue turquoise glitter. So I'll be opening it, putting now I'm going to be getting my snow. Be opening it. Now. Okay, I think that's good. Didn't use everything. And I'm going to be using some eyeshadow again. Oh, no, just envy.
Making this shimmer, as you can see I'm adding some. It's like salt. Okay, so closing this, and I am going to be adding the stuffle because it's like about.
So I got my spoon, now let's stir this. Whoa, it looks so pretty.
Needed to? Okay. Just mix it. It's going to get really chunky. Whoa. Still really sticky, so I'll do myself wrong. Actually, add some more. Okay. Mixing it. There we go. Mixing it, mixing.
Actually, I just saw that the snowflakes don't really show. I'll be adding some more. Okay, so gonna be mixing it all in. So here's the slime right now, guys. Winter. Well, in my slime it's winter, but right now it is fall. Okay. I think I'm gonna be mixing it with my hands now.
Put my spoon and get the last bit. Okay. Oh. I need to add more stuff though. Still really sticky. I'm gonna add some more stuff though. Now I'm mixing it with my hands. Just like this. Now it's just still kind of sticky.
When you touch it, it feels like you could feel like the spikes from the snowflakes when you touch it. Whoa! It's snowing!
Yeah, it's snowing. Woo. Now it's gonna snow white. It's snowing. Let me guess. Now glitter. Whoa. Yep, it is glitter. Look at that.
Look at this big chunk of slime, guys. Woo! Put it back in the container because it's still. Can y'all hear that? Adding some more eyeshadow. I add that now. Mix the slime. Okay, so let me show y'all how it is right now. So this is how the slime is right now, which both of the slimes ended up being successful. So here it is, guys. The final results. The snowflakes, the beads, the glitter. Oh. So here it is. This is the final results. Put the glitter here. here is the final results, guys, of the slime. Oh my, it's kind of getting.
So here is the final result. It ended up really good, guys. See, it's like snowing in my slime, and it's not sticky.
So y'all could also try this ingredients in the slime if y'all want to, which it's really cool. Whoa, look at this. It's like snowflakes stuck up. Look, y'all see that?
Look, it's stuck up. Let's see this one here, and there's some right here. Okay. So, I think that's all.
So now I'm going to be showing y'all both of my slimes. Get my other slime. So here's the other one. This is like a green tub. Y'all see this? This was the green one that I made. Oh, the green one that I made. So this is the green one, and then this is the blue one that I just made right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all liked the slimes that I made. Make sure to comment if you like. Comment which slime did you like best. Make sure to like, subscribe, and make sure to click that bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I think that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video with my slimes and my first video. That's all for today. Bye!